Welcome to Unskooler. So we start with the next chapter of class 6, that is Geography, Major Landforms of the Earth. So you must be like, I'm wondering, what are landforms when we talk about the different kinds of physical features or the relief features which are found? That is, maybe it's a mountain, or it is a plateau, or it is a plain, or desert, or island. All these are the major landforms. And the landforms are formed because of the different processes which take place on the earth. It could be endogenic, that is under the surface of the earth, okay? That is maybe because of a volcanic eruption, or maybe because of earthquakes, all these which are the internal processes of the earth. And the next is the exogenic, that is on the surface of the earth, over the surface, okay? That is the different kinds of landforms which could be formed because of the two processes which is taking place, that is erosion, that is, wearing and tearing of the land and depositing of the land, depositing of the sediments, or maybe, the rocks which are present from one place to another, eroded, that is erosion. And weathering. Weathering is the breaking away of rocks. So all that is present. So because of this, major landforms are formed. And they are formed because of the agents of denudation. Okay, these are the agents of denudation, which are water, ice, or wind. So because of continuous blowing of wind, or because of the velocity of the water, or maybe a glacier or an ice, all this is responsible for the kind of exogenic processes which take place on the surface of the earth, and because of that we have the major landforms.